Hello, my name's Hordern from FläktGroup, and in this short video I will introduce you to our ISYteq GO app. Our ISYteq GO app helps you with the installation process because the setup of the chill beams or VAV dampers can be completed with your mobile phone in one hand and a cup of tea in the other. So now open the app and log in using the details provided in the operation manual. Once you've done this, you will see the My Location screen. So the first time you open the app, the initial view, My First Location, is empty because no project has been opened yet. After pressing the search button, you are taken to a second page called Available Devices, where nearby units will appear and become accessible. At this stage, you should check the buzzer before entering any unit to avoid mistakes. For example, if there is a previously installed chill beam nearby, you want to ensure you don't /enter the wrong system by mistake. Once you enter a unit, it will move to the first page for easy access the next time you start the app. On this first page, which only shows entered units, you can remove a unit by tapping the delete button in the upper left corner if, as I mentioned, it's the wrong unit that you have entered. If you delete a unit from the first page, it will appear again on the second page when you perform a new search. Click on the arrow at the top right hand corner. This will take you to the next screen, the general screen for your selected device. Click the cog wheel to go to the configuration page. Here, for this demonstration video, we are selecting the RS485 Channel 2. This is the channel intercom for communicating with other chill beams in the network. You can connect one client and up to 8 server chill beams in a network. A single unit or a client/master unit must have the address 99. All units are delivered with this address, so only the server/slave units need their address changing. Each of these boxes can be edited, but please be careful. Only experienced people should make changes to some of these. For example, if you change the baud rate, this is factory set and matches that set on the HMI. So if the controller baud rate is changed, so must also the HMI and any other devices on the same network. When you click one of these boxes to make changes, a pop-up window will appear like this for you to make your selection and confirm. Access to these windows is login and password specific based on levels of authority. When you have finished making changes, you simply navigate back using the arrows at the top left hand corner of the window, all the way to My First Location. Don't forget to press Save between every change and before leaving the cogwheel menu. A pop-up prompt will ask if you want to restart the controller, restart later, or not restart. Return to the cogwheel menu and check that all changes are saved and OK. To ensure all the changes you have made, we always recommend that you restart the controller as soon as you have finished. This is how easy and quick changes can be made using the ISYteq GO app, turning commissioning into a 5-minute breeze. Thank you for watching.